How to generate leads using sales funnels. Lead generation is the process of attracting people or leads to your business and converting them into customers, usually implemented via marketing campaigns supported by marketing automation, bringing potential clients to your business, and sales prospects who might purchase your products or services. It offers an exciting approach to digital marketing because it reverses the typical customer-to-business relationship. Rather than discover your business through a cold call, people engage when they find something they like through one of your online channels. This is hugely beneficial for companies and consumers alike, as the people who reach out to you already understand the value of your offerings. Despite its potential business benefits, lead generation can be difficult to do effectively, especially if you've never used this method of marketing before. But it's worth learning. Lead generation can help you find more customers and grow your business throughout the sales cycle, especially when doing internet marketing. Whether you want to market your newly opened business or simply revamp your strategies, lead generation should be a major part of your efforts. How to generate leads. The process of generating leads is simple for business owners. Follow these steps. 1. Identify your target audience. Before anything, you have to know who your target audience is, so you can target and market to them effectively. If you don't have a well-defined target audience, or you don't understand what they need and want from your business, it will be much more difficult for you to engage with them. 2. Offer value to users. Lead generation and inbound marketing are all about attracting customers to your business. To do so, it's important to provide something valuable and helpful to them. This might include blog posts, ebooks, white papers, free trials, freemium subscriptions, really anything that appeals to your target audience. 3. Find your lead magnet. Take some time to determine what pieces of content or free products are most successful with your target audience. You can get a free 14-day trial with ClickFunnels to create your lead magnet by clicking on the link below this video. Experiment as much as you can with different lead magnets and ask for feedback. Then focus your efforts on creating and developing content that's most popular among your target audience. 4. Use newsletters or relationship development. Once potential customers have shared their contact information with you, use email marketing to maintain and develop that relationship. This will keep customers aware of your brand and entice them to convert. 5. Connect and engage on social media. In a similar vein, you can use social media marketing tactics to your advantage. In addition to making it more difficult for people to forget your brand, you can also connect and engage with potential customers on social media platforms in real time. We hope this helped answer your questions. You can sign up for a free 14-day trial with ClickFunnels to create your first lead magnet by clicking on the link below this video.